Hey everyone, how's it going here today? My name is Alex and welcome to my channel here, Easy Money. I'm going to do a review here of Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. Um, Alright, so I got this course about 5 months ago here, and to be honest guys, these days you can pretty much find everything for free online, but it takes a lot of time to really find the exact information, and you don't know which information is true, which ones are false online. I mean, people will just give you their experience even though they have no experience of their own here. And I personally like to invest in a course that, it's organized, I can save time, and that I'm learning from someone who has done it before. There's always going to be people taking advantage and trying to scam people. I call them fake gurus, and there's hundreds of courses online to choose from. And I'm here to share my honest experience of this course and to keep you away from those scammers or fake gurus. So prior to taking Matt Parr's course, I invested in a number of courses on how to succeed on YouTube, and I'm not going to lie, there was valuable information to take in and learn, but I had no success in the other business models. Then I learned about Matt Parr's course, and I got his course, and I went through it in about a week, guys, because I was like so motivated, and I took all the actions that he asked us to take in the course. And only after about a month and a half, I got my first check. So as you see here, this is my screenshot. I started in November. I wasn't monetized then yet. Neither was I monetized in December. I actually got monetized, I think, on January 1st or so. Or that's when I was eligible to be into the program. And then by the 4th, I was accepted into the program. And as you can see, each month I've been making about $3,000 US online. I know April says 2,500, but it's not the end of April yet. So I should be somewhere about 3K come the end of this month here, depending on when this video is released. So Matt Parr, you know what? He's been in this business for like, I think, I wrote X years here, but I think he said he started like 5-6 years ago, and he makes about $30,000 just from ads alone, but over $100,000 to $150,000 per month, selling like affiliate products and his own products as well. So simply, his course, it was very thorough. His explanation is very detailed. Other courses I've taken previously didn't go over the details I needed, so I really appreciate Matt's work. He's also had some points I've seen that other courses do not have, and he's only 21, man. That's crazy. So he must be really dedicated to his work if he can achieve what he achieved already. There's also so many courses out there that were recorded once and has become outdated. So that's something that you guys have to watch out for, outdated course. So techniques that no longer work anymore. But the great thing about Matt's course is that he always updates it. I mean, just about a month or two ago, he updated from Tube Mastery Monetization 1.0 to 2.0. And he's very helpful, and yeah, he's a very likable guy here as well. And one thing that I really like about his course is that you get access to join his private Facebook group. And I know it's nothing new. I've been in other courses before where they have private Facebook groups, but the thing is though that he answers every single question that you leave on his Facebook group. That is so invaluable. I mean, I used to pay for a business coach about $2,000 to $3,000 per month, or sorry, every 2 months, and I get to ask him like a question every single day, and that was like $2,000 to $3,000 every second month. So the fact that this course is just a one-time payment, and then he will answer all your questions that you have, I found that very invaluable for myself. And a lot of questions that you have may also have been answered already. So that's a great thing about discussions, because the course is very, very good. It is excellent, but even more important, or just as important, I would say, is the ability to get your questions answered, because everyone's going to have a little bit of a different journey. Everyone's going to have a little bit of a different path, different niches. But if you have someone who's done like over 9-10 different niches and is there to help you answer questions along the way, that'll make the journey so much more easier. So here you guys go, guys. Again, this is just a short review. I've been making $3,000 per month consistently, pretty much after when I got monetized. So that really pays for the course in and of itself. And yeah, I hope this course helps you as well as it did for me. If you guys do want to check out his course, make sure to click the affiliate link in the description down below. And if you do purchase his course through my affiliate link, which will cost you nothing at all, you also get my guide. I mean, I've done a lot of research over the last 4 or 5 months on how to best succeed. So you get my little booklet or my little document that I titled For Myself to help me along the journey. And you'll get that absolutely for free, guys, if you guys get his course through my link down below. So that's the end of this review video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to get to every single comment. Thank you guys, and until next time.